To ensure your Mazda runs smoothly, follow the factory-required maintenance service outlined in your Mazda Owner's Manual. This essential maintenance should be performed every 8,000 kilometers or 6 months. When it's time for service, a wrench indicator light and a message will alert you. The Vehicle Status Monitor feature will also indicate when to bring it to your Mazda dealership. Our factory-trained Mazda technician will perform a comprehensive maintenance service. Throughout this service, and to deliver the best performance, we use only genuine Mazda parts. First, the technician will start a visual and physical inspection of the body condition. Then, your technician will hook your Mazda3 up to the diagnostic system, MDARS. MDARS is capable of performing over 130 function tests to precisely diagnose and fix any issues. After the diagnostic scan, an inspection of all interior electrical functions will be done. The horn and all external lights, and the license plate lights. Your Mazda technician will then inspect the condition of your wiper system. Next, an under-the-hood inspection and thorough verification will be performed. We inspect all fluid levels and conditions, from engine coolant to washer fluid, and identify any abnormal conditions. If necessary, the technician will recommend replacement of the engine air filter. We then perform a battery test using the GR8, a full-featured Mazda-branded diagnostic charging station to make sure the battery has enough power to start your vehicle. When the battery test is done, the Mazda technician will begin a thorough inspection of the tires, wheel system, and steering and suspension components, all inspected with the utmost care. Next, we perform a brake inspection. Then we evaluate and inspect the tires and perform a tire rotation to prolong their life. After that, there's an inspection of under the vehicle itself. If necessary, an oil change will be done, and the SkyActiv engine oil filter will be replaced. We use only Mazda genuine synthetic engine oil to achieve optimum fuel economy. When the service is completed, your service advisor will review your vehicle health check report with you, outlining what was inspected, what services were performed, and what components may need attention in the future. Making sure to follow the factory-required maintenance by experts who know it best is the best way to keep your Mazda running like new, so you can plan your next adventure with peace of mind.